Let's talk about spa warranties and how they are a great indicator of spa quality. So if there's one determiner of spa quality, it's the warranty that the spa manufacturer is willing to offer. And warranties in spas can be complicated because there are a different length of warranties covering lights, controllers, pumps, cabinets, acrylic, and spa frame. My bit of advice when it comes to warranty is check the fine print, because oftentimes what's advertised on the front page of the website does not accurately represent reality when it comes to making a claim. The other thing that I would say about warranty is check the background of the manufacturer offering the warranty. Believe it or not, I've seen brand new manufacturers to the market offer 25-year warranties in their first year of business. Who's going to know if they're around 25 years later to honor that warranty? So make sure that you're buying from a company with a great pedigree that at the very least has been around longer than the warranty that they are offering on the spa. So check the fine print, but also do your research about the manufacturer and the retailer that you're buying from. So I hope you've learned a little about spa warranties and how they indicate the quality of the spa's manufacturer.